We sit together on the sofa with the music way down low. I waited so long for this moment. It's hard to think it's really so. The door is locked, there's no one home. They've all gone out, we're all alone. Susanna, 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 I'm crazy loving you. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I put my arm around her shoulder, run my fingers through her hair. It's a dream, I can't believe it. It took so long, it's only fair. And then the phone begins to ring, and the stranger's voice on the other end of the line says, oh, wrong number, sorry to waste your time. And I think to myself, why now? Why me? Why? Susanna, 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 I'm crazy loving you. Susanna, 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 it's crazy loving you. Again I sit myself beside her, try to take her hand in mine. The moment's gone, the feeling's over. She looks around to find the time, then she says, could we just sit and chat? And I think, well, that's that. Susanna, 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 I'm crazy loving you. Hey. Still we sit there on the sofa with the stereo on 10. The magic's gone, it's a disaster. There seems no point to start again. She says, I think I'd better go. She says, good